To move in the blood spatter simulator, we'll use a combination of the trigger and the pressure buttons. Hold down the pressure buttons and squeeze while pointing at the floor. You'll see a laser highlight a green square on a grid. When you press the trigger, you will teleport to that location. Additionally, you can access the various weapons and tools in the simulator by using the circular D-pad. Just rotate your finger around the menus and press down on the circle to select them. There are also a perpetrator and a victim dummy that you can place throughout the room to stage your environment. Using the controller trigger, place the controller inside the body in the chest and press and hold the trigger. You can then move the dummy throughout the room as you wish. Make sure that you cleanly move the controller in and out of the body as you pick up and release. You can pose the dummies by selecting any of the pre-programmed positions in the menu. You can select them by pressing the palm buttons and pointing at the position you want with the laser, and then pulling the trigger. There are 4 pre-programmed positions: standing, sitting, laying face down, and laying on your back. You can use these positions to recreate a wide variety of blood spatter scenarios.